LexisNexis has just launched a brand new app, LexisRead. This app allows you to have access to our legal content within your fingertips by way of electronic devices. It is portable, efficient, and you can customize it according to the needs of your case or your transactions. Now on LexisRead, you can actually find the legal definition of different legal jargons. For example, now I'm here searching for the word security, and you would find that you can actually find the definition of the word security. Let me scroll down a little bit. You'd find that right here, security has already been highlighted. Once I press and hold like this one, there's a tab called Legal Define. You tap on that. Here is the definition for the word security, a legal definition, not just a definition from an English dictionary. If I cover the word security for cost like this, now you'll find that we can also provide the legal definition of this legal phrase. Now here is very intuitive. You can also find the statutes and cases explaining how this legal principle actually apply in the legal world. So next time, you know how to find legal definitions on LexisRead.